People like the haunted stuff. People like the ghosts. People like the chance that they might see something. Between all the new ghost hunting shows and all the horror movies which do so well, it's kind of in vogue, you know?
This hotel was built by a man who you guys should recognize at least part of his name, as his name is Conrad Hilton.
We now do this tour depending on the time of year, several times a week to maybe 2 times a week depending on the time of year, and it's a 90-minute ghost walk of the downtown area with amazing guides.
Because we have talked to a lot of the actors who have performed there, and they said that once they've performed there once, they never want to go back and do it again.
There's some historical buildings down here between the chemo, the Bernalillo County Courthouse. There's a lot of really nice historical spots in the downtown area.
Here, and in true ghostly fashion, once they pass through, are gone.
Over by the wool warehouse, that's one of the spookiest spots on the tour we've come to find.
Now, other strange things in association with this door, sometimes there will be people that will not go anywhere around the door.
They're going to see the exterior, some of the buildings, more well-known buildings in town. They're going to get the stories, they're going to get the history. Some of the buildings have ghost sightings by many folks, so they'll hear some of those stories.
And her body kind of jolts like this. A few moments later, there was a gentleman who was standing in front of this door who shouted out, "Did you see that?"
Some of the people take the tour, they're believers. Some of the people take the tour, they're just along for the ride. So, you know, it just kind of depends on the individual as well. It's not our duty or our job to prove to them so much that ghosts exist, but to tell them the history and the stories of the places we're visiting and leave it to them.
Those are 7 bullet holes in the window that were strategically placed there.
We've had people take our tours who swear they felt something, seen something. We do the Trolley of Terror during Halloween. We've had people leave that tour in tears. Pure entertainment. Pure entertainment.